In this problem, we need to find the minimum of the parabola with the equation y equals 3 times x minus 10 times x plus 2. To do that, let's think about what the minimum of a parabola is. I know that this parabola is going to face upwards. Why? Because that value on the outside, 3, is positive. So just imagine a parabola that faces upwards. Oops, that's a very poorly drawn parabola. Let me do that again. And where's the minimum value? It's right down here. And what's that point? Is the vertex. So once again, as I said earlier, the SDA really likes to do this. Whenever we see minimum or maximum value of a parabola, they're just asking about the vertex, really. So let's find the vertex of this parabola. To do that, what I'm going to do is, because this is an intercept form, because it has been factored, we can find the x-intercepts. To do that, just take the number inside the parentheses and flip it. So our x-intercepts are just going to be minus 10 turns into a plus 10, and then plus 2 turns into a minus 2. And then what do you do with those x-intercepts? What you know is that the vertex is located halfway between those x-intercepts. Let me just sketch a picture for you again. So plus 10 is maybe over here, minus 2 is maybe down there, or over there, and this parabola faces upwards. So maybe it looks something like that. And notice that the vertex, its x-coordinate, is halfway between those values. So what you need to do is take the average of those x-intercepts. That gives you the x-coordinate of the vertex of the parabola. So to do that, you do 10 minus 2 divided by 2. I'm just adding up those x-intercepts. That just equals 8 over 2, which is just 4. So 4 is the x-coordinate of this parabola. And then once you have 4, you can just plug it back into this equation. So y is equal to 3 times 4 minus 10, and then times 4 plus 2. Okay, well that equals 3 times 4 minus 10 is minus 6. 4 plus 2 is just positive 6. And then if you put it into a calculator, minus 3, or 3 times minus 6 times 6, that is just negative 108. So that is the y-coordinate of our vertex. So therefore, our vertex is just 4, comma, negative 108. But be careful, that's not what the problem actually wants. This problem asked for the minimum value. The minimum value is the y-coordinate. Therefore, our answer is 108. And just like that, we're done.